Come on, Brett. Come on, Brett. Come on, Brett. Oh, man.
Insane. Oh, premix Papa. Smoking out the building with his two-stroke. I'm going to turn the volume down so much on that video. Oh, Premix Papa just killing me out here. This track is really fun. And this bike, it makes me so happy. I love this thing. It's crazy. I feel like I've never been able to feel as much and have as good of a sense of what the track is doing and trying to do to my bike than I do with this bike. It's crazy how good it is. It hooks up so good, and when it doesn't, you know it's not going to. So you can kind of be ready for it. But man, it's very, very few times it doesn't hook up. It's crazy how awesome it is. I could tell when I was about to lean too far because I could feel the tires starting to break. But this thing all I had to do was just let off just a little bit, and it was fine. It's so sweet. And I wish I didn't have to have it on the mellow map, being in here and it's kind of slick indoors. You don't really want it on the more aggressive one, but I haven't ridden it on that yet, and I'm really excited to ride it like that. But man, I just can't say enough about this thing. I just didn't really realize, not that the Honda handles bad or that one bike is so much better, but just for me and the way this bike handles is why I got on it. And that's why I'm riding it. It's not the power, it's not this, not that. It's the handling. That's the main thing. So I'm really, really enjoying this thing, especially with how bad my leg is and stuff. I want to have something I trust and I know what it's going to do. So that's why I'm on this Yamaha, and it was a really good decision. I know where he's at. I know he's coming down the pipe. Oh yeah, there he is, right there. Are you loving it?
The more comfortable I get, yeah. I challenge you to the ice cream cone pickup day.
Oh, you don't want no part of that one.